Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MB Financial Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with MB Financial Bank, gather all your financial documents. This includes your income statements, bills, and any other recurring expenses. Next, log into your MB Financial Bank online account. Navigate to the budgeting tools available on the platform. Review the features that MB Financial Bank offers for budget creation. Consider setting up automated income tracking to simplify your process. Begin categorizing your expenses based on fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs might include rent or mortgage payments, while variable costs can include groceries and entertainment. After organizing your expenses, review your income sources. Calculate your total monthly income to understand your financial landscape. Once you have this data, create a clear overview of your net income. Subtract your total expenses from your net income to see how much money you have left. If you're operating with a surplus, decide how you want to allocate those extra funds. Consider saving for emergencies, paying down debt, or investing. If you're facing a deficit, examine your expenses closely. Identify areas where you can cut back or adjust your spending habits. Make use of the budget templates offered by MB Financial Bank for a clearer structure. Set specific financial goals, either short-term or long-term, to guide your budgeting process. Utilize the reporting features in MB Financial Bank to track your spending habits. Regularly review your budget to ensure you are adhering to it. Adjust your budget as needed based on any changes in income or expenses. Finally, make budgeting a regular habit by setting aside time each month to review and adjust your financial plan. By following these steps, you can effectively budget with MB Financial Bank and enhance your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.